Alright, so you decide to go out and buy a gun. What do you do next? First thing I recommend is don't go out and spend all your money on, $1,000, $1,500 gun. Get you a nice gun, $400, $500, $600. The ones I always recommend, Glock 19 is a great first time gun for any new gun owners. What I got here? The 6-hour P320, you can get that for about $500, $600. And what else? Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. All of those are nice first time guns. So get you a nice gun, research, figure out what's good for you, then worry about the expensive guns later.